In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best optic fiber power meters available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the optic fiber power meters list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the optic fiber power meters mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, VIJEI King 60S Fiber Tool Kit. The VIJEI King 60S 2-in-1 FTTH Fiber Optic Tool Kit is a professional-grade solution for fiber testing and troubleshooting. It combines an optical power meter with a -70 to 10 dBm range and a 10 mW visual fault locator, ensuring accurate signal measurement and quick fiber break detection. With SC/FC/ST connectors, it supports versatile applications, making it ideal for installers and technicians working in telecom, FTTH, and networking projects. Durable and easy to use, it's a must-have fiber tool. Number 4, TFN Fiber Optic Power Meter Kit. The TFN Fiber Optic Tester is designed for precise testing across 10 km, 20 km, and 30 km fiber distances. Combining an optical power meter with a visual fault locator, it provides accurate measurements and reliable fiber fault detection. Built for everyday use, it ensures efficient performance in FTTH and data network projects. Compact and easy to handle, this tool is essential for technicians who need quick and reliable fiber optic testing at different distance ranges. Number 3, FTTH 19PCS Fiber Tool Kit. This 19-piece FTTH fiber optic tool kit includes everything a technician needs, featuring a powerful optical power meter with a -70 10 dBm range and a 10 mW visual fault locator. Perfect for setup and maintenance, it allows accurate power measurement and easy fiber break detection. With multiple tools included, it simplifies fiber installation and repair. Whether you're working in telecom, FTTH, or networking, this all-in-one kit offers reliability and convenience for professionals. Number 2, NOYAFA NF916 4-in-1 Fiber Tester. The NOYAFA NF916 is a multifunctional 4-in-1 fiber optic power meter, visual fault locator, cable tester, and network tool in one compact device. With support for FC, SC, ST, and RJ45, it covers wide testing needs. Its lithium battery ensures portability, while features like continuity test, QC support, and low battery warning make it dependable in the field. Certified with CE standards, it's a reliable choice for telecom and network engineers needing a versatile tool. Number 1, COMPTYCO AUA6S FTTH Tool Kit. The COMPTYCO FTTH Fiber Optic Tool Kit includes a precision optical power meter and a 10 mW visual fault locator, making it ideal for professional fiber installation and maintenance. Designed for single-mode fibers with hybrid connectors, it ensures accurate testing and quick fault detection. With its durable build and practical design, this kit is perfect for FTTH technicians and network professionals. It provides everything needed for reliable fiber optic operations in one complete package.